have here the Homeify airplane travel kit. Feels like someone actually thought about long flights instead of just tossing a neck pillow in a bag and calling it a day. It is compact, it is well organized, and it's clearly designed for comfort. Let's dive right in. What I like, the adjustable memory foam neck pillow gives real head and chin support. You're just gonna put it on and then you clip it here and it stays in place very nicely. Your head does not flop around from side to side. The phone holder is genuinely useful. You're going to clip it on the back of the seat or tray, probably the seat. You're gonna put your phone in here, and genuinely useful for hands-free movie watching without neck strain. My favorite is the foot hammock. Sets up so quickly, makes economy seating noticeably more tolerable. You're gonna clip this right onto the tray table or the seat in front of you. Also the eye masks, the earplugs, those are always helpful as well. There is a little carrying bag so it doesn't become a packing headache. I also appreciate the cover of this is washable. Thoughtful extras make it feel luxury, not gimmicky. Okay, I'm going to use this not only on my airplane trips, but also on my car or my RV long distance trips. This is a thoughtful luxury travel kit, and I cannot wait to experience it on my next 17-hour ride. The opinions in this review are mine based on my testing of the product. The product was provided by the brand.